shall not want. He leads my heart where peace is found. In pastures green my soul lies still. By quiet waters I am healed. He restores the fire within my soul and guides my steps where I should go. For the sake of His holy name, His mercy flows, His love remains. Even when I walk through shadows deep, Your light surrounds, Your promise keeps. I will not fear, for You are near. Your rod and staff, my comfort here. Surely goodness and mercy flow. All my days my heart will know. I will dwell in the house of the Lord forevermore, forevermore. You set a table before my eyes. While enemies watch, I'm satisfied. You pour Your oil upon my head. My cup of grace runs full instead. Your love pursues me all my day. Your presence fills my heart with praise. Through every valley, night and storm, Your steady hand will guide me. You are my peace in the midnight hour. My shepherd strong, my tower of power. No fear shall rise, no heart shall stray. For You are with me night and day. Even when I walk through shadows deep, Your love is near. My soul You keep. Surely mercy will light my way till I behold